We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up TEAM stock. We are in a monthly time frame. Price action, bullish green candle trying to work its way up from an area of support. If not, it could be drawing a pattern to come down from that break retest. Market comes down. So we do have price action. Overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint in the middle. And we also going to add second level highs. So let's zoom over to price to see what's going on. So we can see that market has tagged this area for that support, okay, below the second level highs. So it can be drawing out that first leg, second leg for the break, third leg can come back for a retest or identify maybe as a doji. The market pushed up for that fourth leg and for that form that W pattern. Now, if not, market can identify the break as we currently see, retest if we do receive a bearish red candle or a pattern from Forex pattern cheat sheet. Market can work its way down for a break and retest, or market can consolidate sideways on the weekly time frame. Price action, huge bullish green candle coming from a pattern. Okay, so we have below the price action, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest 1, retest 2, and we have the push. So price action is coming from a overall 4 pushes down to that bottom, which is a quadruple bottom or a triple bottom and a retest. But it's definitely reading as a double bottom and 2 retests, and then that market pushed. Okay, so market did break that consolidation area that we felt like market could have been in on the monthly time frame with the break. So we're going to see if that market is going to come back and retest or identify some type of pattern in here and for that market to come back down. On a daily time frame, price action, huge bullish green candle. We did receive a break, and there's also a little bit of a gap in the market on the daily time frame. So let's walk down the time frame, see what we see. On a 4-hour time frame, price action is a bullish green doji, okay, indecisive. So we're looking for an engulfment candle to the upside to push that market up, or engulfment to the downside that's going to identify that market's going to push down to the previous area, or that market can consolidate. Okay, price action on the 3-hour time frame is a bullish green candle. Second last candle is a doji. Third last candle is a push. So what's happening is that third last candle has spiked up. Second last candle retest. Price action trying to push above the second last candle, looking for the closeout of price action towards the second last candle to see if that market is going to push up. So price action, second last candle side by side, which is consolidating. Okay, so it's identifying on the 3-hour time frame that this market did spike that area once, twice, 3 times. So we're looking at a triple top in that area on the 3-hour time frame. On a 2-hour time frame, we can see it much clearer. So we can see 3 pushes to that top with the third last candle, second last candle, and price action candle. Price action, second to last candle, third to last candle, triple top. Also is identifying that that market broke with the third to last candle retest. Still looking for the engulfment from price action to the second last candle to close out for that market to push up further. On the 1-hour time frame, now we have the same thing. We have that break, retest. Market did work its way sideways a little more, and then we have a little bit of a push. So that's the first, second, So a second leg, so if we do receive the break of price action, second leg will break out, may retest the SR line and then work its way up for that double top. And if not, we may receive that first leg, second leg, third leg. If we receive a bearish red candle in that area or a pattern, market's coming down from a double top. On a 45 minute, so on a 45-minute price action bullish green candle. Second, third, fourth is the candles are the retest. So that market did break that SR line, came back to retest. We do have the bullish green candle engulfing the second last candle, which can push that market up, but we can see that price action is near the previous side of that fourth last candle. So we got to see what's going on in that area. Okay, and also we can see price action near our other SR line, so it's consolidating sideways. Okay, for that market to push up further, you do want to see that price action break above that SR line that we did create, and also you want to see price action close above the fourth to last candle doji to push that market up. Okay, on the 30-minute time frames, a few things that's happening. This market could be drawn out if it's going to decline for that first leg, second leg, third leg. If we receive a pattern or a bearish red candle against price action, market can come down from that double top. And if not, as we read before, that market did break, push down, get the engulfment pattern to the previous candle, but price action is a huge candle, so we may want it to engulf to second, third, fourth, or fifth to last candle at least to push that market up to follow up with another break and retest, so we're receiving a incline double bottom. On the 15-minute time frame, price action is a bullish green doji. Okay, so it's retesting the previous area, so also is a structure at the bottom below price. So let's draw it out. We can see that patterns forming for that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, and the market push once. Price action is coming from a triple bottom. And overall, if that market does come down from this area of price, if we receive a pattern or maybe a bearish red candle, price can come from the first leg overall, second leg, third leg, and then if we see a pattern in that area, market's coming down for that double top. And if it does break, we're looking for the retest to the bottom side for that market to work its way down for the double top and a retest. On the 5-minute time frame, okay, now we can see that multiple pushes down to that bottom clear. Okay, so we do have that multiple touches for the first, second, third, fourth, retest, and the market push once. So you can see price action is coming from that triple bottom that we did identify on the 15-minute time frame. Do have the retest right here, and the market pushed up once. So in this area here, price action, second last candle, third last candle are all weak candles. They're all dojis. Indecisive, second last candle showing an area of support, so that's a retest. So what's happening is that the fourth to last candle has pushed up, worked its way sideways a little bit. Second last candle came back to retest that line, and then price action is the push. So they all dojis. You want to see an engulfment pattern in that area, but we also want to see price action engulf this area on this side to push that market up. Okay, so we can see price action line up with the previous side. I want to see price action shoot up above this SR line to identify a break and retest. On a 3-minute time frame, so price action on 3-minute time frame is a bearish red doji, which all that's doing is coming back for a retest. So we have the market broke, retest, second last candle, pushed up, and then price action retesting. So we just waiting to see what's going to happen with the following candles. But we can see markets identifying a double top in that area, having a hard time breaking that SR line. On the 1-minute time frame, we can see levels working its way up. So we can see that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, overall retest, and then we do receive the engulfment pattern, the price action, which can push that market up. But we can see price action near our SR line, so we just got to wait in this area to identify what's going on. You also can wait for the market to break, retest, to work its way up to new levels. Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Okay guys, Cam Jones.